Val, we are at the airplane. How are you feeling?
Scared.
That's the appropriate reaction. You should be a little bit scared.
Yeah.
We're not baking brownies up there. Don't worry, I've got you. Done this thousands of times. We're making it home safe tonight. Well, I'm getting you to the ground safe tonight. What happens to you after this is up to you. Drive safe, that's dangerous. Let's go have some fun. Look left at that camera.
Oh yeah.
We're flying a parachute. How does it feel?
It feels amazing.
Let's see what this parachute can do.
Oh my god. That is amazing.
Now we just went skydiving. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Would you do it again?
Yeah. Just, yeah.
Careful, that's how we get you.
No, I know. I'm very aware. I had fun.
Good. You're the reason I got to skydive today. Thank you for jumping with Skydive Colorado Springs. Come see us again soon. Woo!